And
reverse
Professor
psychology.
Olabola, the floor is yours because for the past 1 hour, he said he will not bring evidence.
Yeah, so ladies and
Please, we can
gentlemen, what
continue.
we have
Does
done
common
here
sense
today,
count as
we
evidence?
have
That's a simple
used,
question I ask you. Does common
we have
sense count as
used,
evidence?
but, I mean, what is common sense in Benin might not be common sense in the rest of the world. So that's what we are saying here.
Exactly. What is
So,
evidence to you might not be evidence to me.
Common sense in Benin, common sense in Benin.
Against yourself.
So what we're now doing is this. Because you want to have a subjective view of common sense, you now to have to bring evidence. Bring the evidence. Since common sense in Benin, Benin's standard of common sense is different from the rest of the world, then bring evidence. Yeah, bring evidence. Bring evidence.
You just made an argument against yourself.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Thank you so much for the gifts. At least Benin people, show this guy, pretend that if you don't love him, if you don't love Atlas, at least hate me now and give him gift. Yeah? Hate this guy and hate me and give Atlas a gift now. Let me put him to 20. Let's put him to 90.
So maybe when I stop talking, he will also stop talking because there is kind of a connection between whenever I
Do you debate without evidence? You asked Olabola for evidence and he has given you several evidence. It is your time to do justice.
Bring one.
Just one. We are not asking for. It's not asking for too much.
In fact, if you bring now, I promise you at last. If anything you say, take a picture of. I'm promising you, take a picture of maybe a toilet roll or a signboard and you post it. I would accept that's the evidence. I would accept it. I don't care what they write on the toilet roll. I would accept it. Just help yourself. Help Benin Kingdom. Save your Oba from me. That's what I'm saying. Save him. Do you want me to be exposing him like this?